Hello friends, welcome back to my video. Today now I am going to paint my Teen Titans Go headquarters pocket money box. So let's begin. And as you know, it is also for twins. If you have twins, you are twins. So let's start making it, painting it and detailing it. So first you have to take 1 centimeter and mark it at here, and take 1 centimeter and mark it here. Now we have to stretch this line until this point comes, and then we will do like this. And let's check it is 1 centimeter or not. Yes, it is. Okay, we have to first make space for windows. That's a bit tricky for us. Now I have to mark here. हाँ तो फिर अब so now we have to point here and now here, and now we have to make a line like this and a line like this. It is by a mistake, and now we have to do it like this. So now we have to make a straight line again. Oh, I forgot where is my scale by mistake. Now we will start it like this, and we will stop here. We will stop here. So friends, as you can see, I have made a space here because the Teen Titans windows are looking like this. So I first making the T here also, then we will paint it. So friends, as you can see here, I have marked this. So now it's time to paint it. I am painting it like this. This is the window color we made in the previous video. So don't forget to watch that video, because if you watch that video, you know these steps how to make this 3D T with the smartwatch box or mobile box. So now I have to paint windows like this. And so friends, I do not have a proper brush, so I am using this type of brush. But if you have a proper brush, use that brush, because this is so ugly feeling. Friends, unfortunately I have to use this brush, toothbrush, to paint this Teen Titans Go headquarters. It is also too ugly, but if you had a good paintbrush, then use it. And as you can see, it is a bit out of the line, so we will color it white also. As you all can see, our windows are ready, but the walls are getting too much blue. So we are painting them by finger. If you had this out of the outline. Friends, as you can see on the first side, it is looking very nice, and but we have to add something else also. We have to divide it into parts like this. Only at the windows, not at the walls. Only at the windows. and I know it is very difficult to do this because the paint is not dried well, and I'm starting to do this. You have to do same to same on the back side, because if you do the same to same on the back side, it will look very good. But for now, I am only doing the front side. In case you have to also paint on the back side. So now, how to make it for twins? So to make it for twins, that you know, we have attached two boxes, and we doesn't made a hole here at here. So if we put coins from here, it will not go down here. So we have to edit it and make a hole at here and here. But for first, we have to cut here this window only a bit, because we have to take out the coins from it and notes from it, and from here you also had to cut. So we will do this now. So first we are starting from here. So I think I should do it like this. Ooh, no, it will cause a destruction. So I have to fix it now. Friend, it causes ultimate destruction. So friends, now we are going to cut this again, but this time very carefully, because I am so sad it caused ultimate destruction. So now I am cutting this from the top. It's taking a lot of time from here to cut this. But I will manage. So friends, as you can see here, I have made a hole that could easily fit that I can easily put coins into it. Now for the upper side, I am doing the same, but from the top this time, and it's also dangerous, but I should be brave enough, so I am cutting this. So friends, finally our Teen Titans Go headquarters pocket money box is ready. We can put pocket money from here and from here and take it out from here and here. So if you want another lock, you can edit it at your risk. So I like this one, but I don't want it as a pocket money box. I want it as a decoration, but I think it will look good as a pocket money box. So thank you, and we will meet another time. Bye bye. Bye friends. Hello friends, if you carefully watch this video, so complete my challenge. So the challenge is you have to find 5 swag emojis in this video. If you complete this challenge, comment I have swag.